Coverage you can count on. This is WNEM TV5 News.
Charges dismissed. That's the ruling from the Michigan State Supreme Court for 3 defendants charged in the Flint water crisis. The court saying a judge sitting as a one-man grand jury has no power to issue indictments under state law. Thanks for watching the news at 6. I'm David Custer.
And I'm Meg McLeod. The state Supreme Court's ruling has officially dismissed the charges for 3 of the defendants. And TV5's Raven Blue explains today's ruling could cause a ripple effect for other cases.
The Flint water crisis legal battle has been sent back to the beginning after the Michigan Supreme Court ruled that the indictment of 3 of the 5 defendants are invalid. The court ruled Michigan law can let a judge act as a one-person grand jury to investigate, subpoena witnesses, and issue arrest warrants, but cannot issue indictments or charges.
They use rather plain but emphatic language to say you must have a preliminary examination to assure that the criminal defendant, no matter who they are get the due process that they are entitled to.
This judgment wipes away charges against former State Health Department Manager Nancy Peeler, former advisor Richard Baird, and former State Health Director Nick Lyon, which now sends the case back to Genesee County Circuit Court for further consideration.
A decision has to be made by the prosecutor whether they want to begin again.
In a statement, Randall Levin, attorney for Baird, says the government cannot employ the use of a one-person grand jury to act in secrecy and then deny those accused a right to challenge in open court the allegations made against them through the preliminary examination process. In another statement, Genesee County Prosecutor David Layton says his office is reviewing the decision and defends the use of the one-person grand jury and will now determine if any of the pending cases need to be reissued, signaling the continuation of a 5-year legal battle to get justice for the people of Flint.
The people of Flint should have their day in court, and the hope is that this is not the end of the line for this process of holding people criminally liable, but it may end up being a detour, but not the end of the road.
McDaniel says with the Supreme Court decision, the legal fight might not be even close to halfway done. Raven Blue, WNEM TV5.
Former Michigan Governor Rick Snyder's legal team sent us a statement saying after today's state Supreme Court ruling, they will be moving immediately to get all criminal charges against Snyder dismissed. And Thursday marks the deadline for Flint residents impacted by the water crisis to file a claim to get a share of the $626